This is 801 King Street West in Toronto. It was built in 1991, which in condo years is pretty Asian. Now you might be thinking, with an older condo comes weird parquet flooring, popcorn ceiling, and a solarium that nobody uses. But in the case of Unit 405, you would have the exact opposite. Inside, it's a totally reimagined two-bedroom space. Modern, stylish, and move-in ready. Here are 3 reasons why you want to consider this unit. Reason number 1, what's old is new again. This place has had the full glow-up. We're talking a chef's kitchen with quartz counters and an island big enough to host your culinary cooking fan club. New appliances, a deep farmhouse sink, smart functional touches like this sleek ledge for your spices and knickknacks. Both bathrooms fully updated with new vanities and toilets. There's new flooring throughout, upgraded lighting, and custom closets. And yes, the popcorn ceiling is gone forever. Reason number 2, the older condo advantage. You get all the perks of the older condo without the old, outdated finishes. What does that mean? Real size appliances, nearly 1,000 square feet of livable space, room to entertain, stretch out, and breathe. Plus, your maintenance fees cover a lot. Utilities, a gym, rooftop deck, even tennis courts. And oh yes, you also get a parking spot and a locker. Reason number 3, light for days. This corner unit has 7 windows. That's right, 7. Most condos are lucky to squeeze in 2 windows. Here, natural light pours into every bedroom and fills the open concept living, dining, and kitchen spaces. It's bright, airy, and seriously uplifting. Unit 405 at 801 King Street West. This is the unicorn you've been hunting for. Stylish, spacious, bright, and packed with perks you don't find in today's new builds. If you've been on the hunt for a 2-bedroom that doesn't compromise, this could be the one. I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate. Please reach out to me if you want to learn a little more about this condo.